Aloha. Today we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it's got some easy pull tabs. Let's give it a good pull. Another pull. There we go. You got the Google Fi paper. Inside the box was nice. That. What else we got? What's inside? Nothing in there. Oh, pull out. There we go. You got your USB-C cord. You got some more terms of service, quick start, volume, capacity, yada yada yada. Okay, and then here we go. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. And then we got some power on. It's our power. It's empty. There we go. Samsung. I got the Otterbox Pro Defender case, so let's put it on. Bam. It's nice on that part. We got some snappy dappy. Got a nice welcome screen. And we got the outer sleeve. Get that on. For your USB-C. Moving up from an S23 Ultra to an S25. A pretty good upgrade deal. Hit the start, see what it says. Agree, sure, no, I don't want to be diagnostics. Easy setup with another device. Well, I don't have the device here, so I'm gonna wait to do it later. Let's see if it's easy to power off. Oh, you gotta press 2 buttons these days. Oh, and then another button. Oh, and then another button. That was rocket science. Okay, thanks for joining me, everyone.